All right, so we got some leftover lemon right here. Yeah, enough respect. What's going on? You don't know the thing, go. Good vibes. Yeah, we have to keep doing what we are doing. So we have a few ingredients left over. So we have some lemon water left over from the first video. I'm going to use this one. Yeah. Instead of we're gonna I'm just gonna use that. Instead of we're gonna get more lemon that can use. So that is one medium size lemon I have in the water. Okay, Nerika Blog is in the building. Okay. Yes, people, you don't know the thing, go. We're gonna grate a piece of a ginger. Yeah. Yeah, piece of ginger we are grate tonight. In the lemon water. So this is some lemon water left over. So we grate some ginger. Alright. Good vibes, people. Yeah, man. Yeah. Do your thing, guys. Come on, do nothing. I don't know exactly what to do. I'm gonna put a little bit more hot water in the pot. Yeah. Yeah, man. A good vibes. Good vibes. Good vibes. I'm gonna use some cinnamon powder. Of about 1 tablespoon of the cinnamon powder into the water. Mix it in. You need to use a lot of cinnamon. And you can use cinnamon stick if you like to. Okay? Yeah. So you want to get the glucose a little bit better in the system. Alright. Good evening, buddy. Big up yourself. We're gonna get some turmeric powder. Yeah, man. Wake up the turmeric powder. Here it is. Of about half a tablespoon. Mix that inside of it. You can use a fresh one if you like to. Yeah. Very powerful recipe, guys. Effective. All right. I know you guys might miss the first video, but are good vibes. So we got lemon, ginger, all right, and we put some cinnamon powder. You can use cinnamon stick if you like to. Yeah, cinnamon stick is good. Cinnamon is very good for the blood sugar. Yes, people, you don't know the thing. What next we're gonna put inside of it is some peppercorn. Alright, put a few peppercorn inside of it. Yeah, so we did something similar like this last night, but this one is a little bit more different from last night. Look at that, ginger. All right, last night we used rosemary. Just to keep you guys up to date with the healthy recipes. And if you guys like this kind of recipe, you don't know what to do, leave your comments when the video finish. What would you like me to make for you? If you don't want me to make nothing for you, you don't need to leave your comments. It is a very simple one. If you want me to make something for you, leave your comments and say, Chef Ricardo, make something for me. All right. If you think you're going through a little bit of sickness or you feel a little bit aware, you said, what is good for this? Leave your comments after the video finish. If you think you're perfect, don't leave any comments. All right. Good vibes. Yeah, man. So we just keep it just like that. Keep it real and organic. Good vibes. So you guys can see the water is coming to a boil and it's looking good. Yeah. You can drink this in the morning and you can also drink it in the evening. Good night to you. Oh, or morning or night for you. Because right now in London it's supposed to be getting late. 12:30 now in London, guys. And then not too long come from work. Decide to do a little video. You don't know the thing go. Yes. People, you don't know, we have to keep up the love and keep flowing with it. Let's take this off to eat. Yeah, we have to take care for the eat. Yes. My beautiful people, you don't know the thing go. That's the way it look in the morning, yeah. So we're drinking something like this before we go to our bed. You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong, guys. You don't know the thing already. Alright. So let's talk about it and tell you exactly. Yes, definitely we appreciate every one of you guys who are support the team. So you can see the yellow coloring, that's turmeric, ginger, lemon, all right, and cinnamon powder and peppercorn. All right, you want to drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and one at night before you go to your bed. Get yourself a copy of my book on Amazon, 50% off. All right, so if you are struggling at home, yeah, man, this is good for you. Yeah, really appreciate every one of you guys who take the time, come and support the progress. Here it is. Simple little recipe like this you can make at home. A good vibes. Easy and simple. That's what we're talking about. Yeah, man. So if you just coming on the show and I wonder what Chef Ricardo met this evening, I don't even know. What did he make? I'm going to tell you exactly I make your favorite, guys. Okay? Yeah, man. I make your favorite this evening. Let's talk about it again. Once again, turmeric, ginger, lemon, cinnamon. You can use cinnamon stick or cinnamon powder and some peppercorn. Don't put any sugar or don't put any honey. Drink it naturally. All right? Because the drinking naturally is the better for you. A good vibes. So don't give up, keep the faith and believe in what we're doing, because you don't know the thing already. From poverty to purpose, still keeping it real and organic. Lots of people might have slept now because people might have said it's late. But you don't know, I'm always drinking my tea before I go to my bed. Keeping it real and organic. Yes, people. Yeah, man. One of them kind of vibes there. So if you're suffering from diabetic, natural stuff can help you at home. Trust me. Cinnamon powder is very good for you. So try it at home. All right, guys? If you don't believe me, you can also do your own research and get to understand the full episode of these natural home remedy or Chef Ricardo make. Yeah, man. Let me know what you guys think about the natural home remedy, because we believe in a natural home remedy and natural things to use at home. I don't know if you guys believe in these things, but me personally believe in it. All right, so yeah, man, mix up the cinnamon. Yeah, with some ginger and lemon. All right, turmeric, pepper. All right, yeah, a good vibes. And trust me, you want to drink that 2 times a day, pretty good to go. You love it and you're gonna enjoy it. So if you miss anything, please let me know. Yeah, a good vibes. I'm not even talk too much, guys. I'm just taking it easy because it's nothing too big tonight. It's just a simple recipe. Yeah. A good vibes. So let me know what you guys think about this beautiful. We're gonna pour it off. Let's pour it off. Yeah, man, we're gonna pour it off. Make you guys can see how we do things in the kitchen. Here's him. Big up yourself. All right, we've done the first video already. Curry goat on his way. Don't worry yourself. Let me start out the goat. Let me start out the goat. Here's him. All right. Yeah, man. So simple. Pour off turmeric, ginger, lemon, cinnamon, and pepper. Don't put any honey or sugar in it. Drink it naturally. Just like that. Just like that, guys. See that? Just like that in our kitchen. Now, this is the book, From Poverty to Purpose. Not for you guys see it, but not for you guys running away from it. You know, do your nothing, you know. You just have to just get one and support the thing. Good vibes. People, the greatest thing I want to say to you this evening, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. We're not going to keep the show too long. I just keep it short and spicy. All right. Monday, Tuesday, every Monday, Tuesday, we're giving you something fantastic where you guys can make at home. Okay? So look out for a new recipe next week. Monday, Tuesday. Love you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for the time. Have a lovely evening. Stay blessed. And whatever you do, man, God is the greatest. Like a tea. Thank you so much. Appreciate it.